All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. Time to show love to the Pixel 8 Pro. Here's my Obsidian, Minty Fresh, and Bay. And today we're going to be putting on new screen protectors for them. So I had screen protectors on these two. Then Minty Fresh came in and I didn't have any more. And then just so happened that both of the screen protectors on these got a little bit of chip on them. It wasn't nothing major, you know what I'm saying? I didn't have to do it. I didn't have to switch it up. But I'm going to go ahead and I bought brand new glass protectors for all three. I just got a 3-pack. So some of you guys was asking which ones I bought. I tend to take an affordable route sometimes with the screen protectors, but this is what I got. I'll have these down in the description. At the recording of this video, these are on lightning deal right now, so you get all three of these for $3.50. So you get a 3-pack for $3.49. That is a good deal. There they are. So we're gonna go ahead and pop all of these on, and we're gonna get this thing going. So you get, obviously you get 3 screen protectors and you get 3 kits here. All right, so hopefully these are wet enough. We're gonna go ahead and get this thing going. Contestant number 1, you are up. All right, guys, so as you can see, super easy install. As long as they have a frame, it goes on really easy. And all these little ones that you see, like little areas where it's bubbles in there, those come out after you start to use the phone. The bubbles and stuff from the heat on the screen will go away. I always try to push them out anyway, just to kind of warm it up like that. But overall, these went on super easy. This 3-pack was super nice for $3.49 on Amazon Prime, limited deal. If you click on that link and they're not $3.50, you know, it's not on me. I'm just I'm just letting you know, when I got them, they were on lightning deal, 3-pack for $3.49, which I think it was a crazy deal because I got 3 Pixel 8 Pros. So this was a must. So get them cleaned up, get them shined up, get them ready for use. I basically, for my main line, just rotate between these 3 colors right here, depending on how I'm feeling. This is what I'm doing. I'm rocking out with one of these colors right here, man, because I think this phone is so beautiful. It just deserves to be shown off. What about that Minty Fresh though? Ooh wee. So there it is, folks. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. Got the Pixels all shined up, got them ready to go. They ready for business right now. Screen protectors installed. No other things to do to these right now but just enjoy them. Team Pixel, stand up in the comments.